Editing the homepage on your Joomla website is easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Joomla Admin. First, access your Joomla Admin panel by navigating to the following link. Enter your login credentials. Locate the homepage article. Joomla typically uses an article as the homepage. To edit it, go to Content Articles in the Admin menu. Look for the article that is set as the homepage. You can search for it or find by scanning the list of articles. Edit the article. Click on the article title to open it. You'll be in the Joomla content editor, where you can modify text, images, and other elements. Use the editor's tool to add or update content, change fonts, or insert media like images and videos. Save changes. After making your changes, click Save or Save and Close to apply the updates to the article. Set or change homepage. If you want a different article as the homepage, go to Menus, Main menu, and locate the Home menu item. Edit it and change the article to the one you want to display.